So foam rolling for the lat, here's a couple of techniques you can use. You're going to try to get in the meat between your shoulder blade and your rib cage. I like to start a little bit low, 1 foot behind me just for stability. And you're going to start just with a cross friction on that lat. Just try to break any of that stuff up underneath your shoulder blade. And then you can start to creep the hand up into the overhead position. Okay? Again, I'll try to just break up any tissue. And I'll turn my palm up for external rotation. We can do an elbow bend, and then we could pin and stretch internal and external rotation. Internal, external. And then you'll start to just creep up towards the armpit. Same thing. Just cross friction, walk the hand up all the way. Just work this. Bend the elbow, internal, external rotation. When you get up to the back side of the arm here, you can kind of roll a little bit more posteriorly. You're on your posterior delt. Same thing. Just kind of smash up the back of the arm. Bend the elbow, internal, external rotation.